Flipping hell. Flipping hell, boy. Jesus! This was an Audi 80 Quattro, you say, yeah?
So early Audi 80 Quattro.
Engine-wise, it wasn't turbocharged, it was NA, right?
NA engine, 136 horsepower, 5-cylinder.
And weight, what are we looking at?
1050 kg, empty car, no fuel.
So, you say we've got Audi S2 engine, yeah?
Audi S2 engine, 5-cylinder, 20-valve, twin cam. This one is fully forged, all rotating assembly are lightened and balanced.
Yeah.
It's got NA cams, so it's aggressive on boost. 1000cc injector, massive whole set turbo.
Yeah. Check this out, guys. Like the work on this is.
Set HX40 turbo, tubular manifold, 3-inch exhaust all the way back. Custom made. Aluminium fuel tank with 3 baffles, so we can use it on a truck. 5-litre swirl pot, 2 Bosch 044 pumps.
You say same power to weight as a Pagani?
Pagani Zonda.
Yeah.
Yeah, so around 555 horsepower per ton.
Flipping hell, boy! Jesus! That lift from the front, innit? No! Wow! Wow, this is actually a monster, innit? Jesus! Third gear. Wow. Jesus.
Trying to snap your neck, innit?
Man, this is no joke, is it? It's just the right weight to everything, you know. Like the touch points are really nice. Look, third gear,
perfect,
little boost. Mate. Jesus, listen to the sounds. Bro, this is what it's about. Like, you don't need to rev it out, just tickle, hit the boost,
just
let off, man, enjoy. Oh my God, you imagine these guys were listening to this shit 37 years ago. Look at it, man, it feels so stuck to the floor. Just going around a roundabout. Off the roundabout, second gear. No way, man, second's ridiculous. No way!
I love it, you as a passenger side, man.
That is one of the most satisfying hits of torque that I've felt in a very long time, man. You got the sounds matching it, genuinely something else, isn't it?